lemongrass, citronella, grapefruit, peppermint, and clove oil. These are all natural repellents. Try to stay clear of bug repellent and sunscreen combos. You're better off if you use separate products. Apply the sunscreen first and then your bug repellent. By making a small effort to reduce the amount of toxic ingredients in the products that you use daily, you can create a better and healthier life for you and your children and the rest of your family. Enjoy the summer season while always considering your health and the health of those around you. Thank you.